Dear children, welcome to VC Diamond channel. Today we are going to see the prepositions behind, between and among. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun or pronoun to show direction, time, place, location, relationships or to introduce an object. Example for preposition of direction. Raju runs towards his home. Here, towards is preposition of direction. Example for preposition of time. The moon shines at night. Here, at is preposition of time. Example for preposition of place. The child slept in the cradle. Here, in is preposition of place. Example for preposition of location. The book is on the table. Here, on is preposition of location. Example for preposition of relationship. The girl is ahead of the boy. Here, ahead of is preposition of relationship. Example for preposition of introduce objects. The basket consists of mangoes. Here, of is preposition of introduce objects. First we see behind. When do we use behind? We use behind somebody or something is at the backup. Example, where is the balloon? The balloon is behind the toy. Where is the balloon? The balloon is in front of the toy. Where is the water bottle? The water bottle is behind the purse. Where is the water bottle? The water bottle is in front of the purse. Now we see between. When do we use between? When we are talking about two persons, places or objects, we use between. Where is the ball? The ball is between the duster and art box. Between means something or somebody in the middle of two people or things. Where is the toy? The toy is between the box and water bottle. Let's move to the preposition among. When do we use among? Among is used to portray the idea of being in a group or in the midst of a group. Portray means to show somebody or something in a picture. Where is the toy? The toy is among the tomatoes. Where is the flower? The flower is among the cups. Thank you.